Hello YouTube, my name is Farlan and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today we're going to do another long-term review. This time it's the Raf Simons Adidas Ozweego 3. So stick around. Before we continue with the video, may I just remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway and it will be ending soon. In order to join, please follow all the mechanics in the description box down below. When Raf Simons and Adidas first collaborated early this decade, I'm not sure the exact dates, they released a very retro futuristic collection, and it definitely pioneered this ugly sneaker or dad sneaker trend that is very popular right now. Anyway, this collection was very popular among the high fashion crowd, not very known in the sneakerhead community. Then after a while, they released the second collection and they released the Ozweego 2 and the Stan Smith that has the perforated R on the lateral media side instead of the three-stripe branding. And those two are instant hits. And the Ozweego 2 will rise up in value and very sought after. And right after that, Balenciaga followed the trend and they released their triple S. So and this ugly sneaker trend caught fire right away. Now after a week or two after the release of Balenciaga Triple S, Adidas and Raf Simons released this one. These are the Ozweego 3. So this has a different material and a little different look compared to the Ozweego 2. I actually like the Ozweego 2 better. I like the materials better and I like the silhouette better. The look. It has the very 80s, 90s running shoe look to it. These ones, they still have the same look, but it's chunkier. These ones are chunkier. So right after the release of this, Kanye with the Yeezy brand and Adidas released the Wave Runners. So at that time, the dad shoe trend caught fire, and everyone wants to have one. And most of the brands also made their own version of this ugly sneaker or dad sneaker. So this particular shoe, this particular colorway released September 30, 2017. So it's a fairly old sneaker already, 2 years old, more than 2 years old. So when it first released, the retail price is $350 US. Got this for retail, and it released 2 weeks after the release of the Balenciaga Triple S. So the ugly sneaker or the dad shoe trend is catching fire when these two releases. And anyway, first impression, when you wear it on foot, very chunky, very big on your feet. Then the material here, from there until now, it's very stiff. So there's no not much flexibility on these shoes. Anyway, the materials all around here, leather, white leather, padded inside. Then you have a piping. Then there's going to be a separation of materials and colors with in this particular area. So it's like this one is khaki, made out of canvas or textile material. The same materials they use for pants or for denim, I think. And then leather lace loops. Then again, the tongue is heavily padded, like a skate shoe tongue. Now it's also made out of canvas and leather. Then the thing that made this popular are these plastic bubbles here. There's actually very stiff plastic, but looks like air bubbles, but there's no air in them. So anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plastic bubbles. So this particular one really gives it the 80s look. So anyway, it fits true to size. Very comfortable, heavily padded on the tongue area, and very thick material on this area here, the leather, white leather part. And as I said, it's there's a little flexibility. Then you have adiprene for the midsole, so it's soft. Then you have a torsion plate here, so it gives you stability there. So how do I wear this particular shoe? Mostly I wear them with the black denim or black joggers. As long as you keep that hem in this area, it really shows the sneakers off. And I also think it will work with my olive joggers and burgundy joggers. We'll try that later. Anyway, I also wear this with no-show socks. If I wear this with shorts, which I haven't tried, definitely I wear black socks that's about this high, so it will like elongate the shoe, and it doesn't give you that very chunky look. So it gives you a little height if you wear it with the black socks. Anyway, we'll give you a B-roll clips on how these shoes look on feet. In terms of comfort, it's comfortable. We have padded tongue, very soft. Then it's very spacious on this particular part. It has a padded ankle as well. A good midsole, so give you cushioning and rigid support. But it's very stiff, so there's not much flexibility. So keep that in mind if you're trying to get one of these. So definitely no performance review for this particular sneaker. It's gonna be very hard to run in them. So would I recommend these sneakers after using them for a long time, for more than 2 years? It really depends on the person. It requires a lot of thinking when you're trying to style this particular shoe. And it won't appeal to everyone, so not everyone can wear this. It really depends on the style or the personality of the person. But for me, this looks good for me. I use this a lot, and I have a lot of wear from them already. And yeah, so the only thing that I have complained about this one is very stiff. So that's it. But for all day wear, standing, sitting around, just walking, feels good. A little hot sometimes, but so that's my long-term review of the Raf Simons Adidas Ozweego 3. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.